In this video lesson, we are going to be looking at subtracting fractions with unlike denominators, and we are going to be using our butterfly method. All right, so once again, you can use this method for both adding and subtracting fractions. The only difference is at the end, you will subtract instead of adding, and I'll show you that right now. So we have 8/10 minus 2/3. Once again, we're trying to get this denominator the same. We're trying to make a common denominator. So instead of using multiples, we are going to use our butterfly method. In our first step, we are going to get that denominator by multiplying our two bottom numbers, 10 times 3, which gives us 30. All right, that was the first step. Multiply the denominators, multiply the bottom. Second step, it's your crisscross multiply. So it doesn't matter which one you start with. I'm going to crisscross 10 and 2. And we once again multiply these numbers. You don't subtract yet, you multiply. So crisscross multiply, 10 times 2. And I'm going to make a little antenna, make it look like the butterfly, and I'm going to write the 20. So 10 times 2 is 20. Next, I have to make my other butterfly wing. Crisscross multiply, 3 times 8. 3 times 8, which is 24. If you ever have a time where this number on the left is not bigger than the one on your right, I would check your math or make sure that the fraction you are subtracting is the correct one. All right, so in my butterfly method here, I have a 24 on top and a 20. So the only difference from the butterfly method of adding would be you added those two top numbers. Since we are subtracting, guess what? You're going to subtract the top two numbers. 24 minus 20, which gives us 4/30. So 4/30, that's a great answer. We can also actually simplify this. We have two even numbers here. So we can actually divide this by 2 to get a simplified answer if we'd like. So I'm just going to divide the top and the bottom numbers by 2, which will give me an equivalent fraction. 4 divided by 2 is 2, and 30 divided by 2 is 15. So our answer is 4/30, or simplified 2/15. That was the butterfly method.